Okay, now it's working. Good morning. I'm gonna be stepping away here real fast. Just want to make sure that I had everything up and ready. I actually moved the stream layout over to my other monitor so I could see what's going on the other monitor at all times. I think it's gonna make a huge difference actually. And if I'm looking at something over here, I'll just move it over instead of trying to go back and forth. Okay, pretty excited about today. It is um, Thursday, January 23rd, currently 9:07 a.m., but we'll get into it. I gotta step away for a second, and then I'll be right back. Okay, everything seems good. Mic's working, stream's working. Got the other monitor on the other screen. And then I've got our main monitor, our main screen on this monitor. I think I said that right. Oh, it's super cold this morning. Feeling good, feeling well rested. Yeah, just gonna try to make some money. It's Thursday. Only 2 trading days left of the week, including today. Only 1 if you don't include today. Tomorrow's Friday. And we really didn't do too much trading this week. We didn't really make very much money at all. But we could still end the week up a pretty good amount, I think. I'd say so. We've made a lot of money. We've made a good amount of money before in Thursday, Friday. I think Thursday, Friday tend to be good days for me, trading wise. I'm just still getting situated here. There we go. We'll take a look at the daily, and if there's any news. Hold on. There we go. Put on my glasses. I'm locked in. Okay. Let's look at the news first. January 23rd, it's currently 9:15 a.m. Nothing. There was Jobless Claims Act. Not jobless claim, but the U.S. jobless claims came out this morning. We are up. There's slightly more unemployment than was forecasted, than was predicted. Trump speaking at 11 o'clock, so that could affect the market, but we'll be done before then. Everything else, nothing else going on. Tomorrow, there's really nothing going on tomorrow either. Some earning calls coming out early in the day, so those might move the market higher. US S&P PMI, I don't know what those are. That could have an effect. That's at 9:45 and then 10. Okay, so there's a good amount of news coming out at 10 tomorrow. Earnings calls and then something at 9:45. But nothing today. Alright. And then let's look at the daily. I'm like really hungry all of a sudden. This is our daily. We're currently moving down. I've seen this kind of price action before. Where, let's see if we can just find something like it. You know, specifically where this candle is inside of this candle. This candle could go all the way down, but most likely it'll stay in between this candle body. So like this candle might move down to like here and end here, so it'll be a larger candle, a smaller candle. I think that's bullish. I think that's not a sign of a reversal. I think it's a sign of a continuation. But we'll see. Could be a few days of bearish action. There we go. Sorry, I'm really trying to get comfortable here this morning. And it could, could keep going down. Yeah, I don't know. I'm still trying to go up. I think it might retest here. Maybe it goes down further, break through here. Excuse me. In the 1 hour. 1 hour is pretty interesting. We have some lows right there at the 75. 5 minute. 15 minute. Some highs up here, the 70s, 970. Currently right now we're doing something like this. I really want to keep this chart really clean too. So alright, pretty interesting. Might keep it on the 15-minute and move it over. Here, I really liked looking at it. Whoa. 2 on the 1 hour. And I wanted to highlight this spot down here on this chart. Let's do like just where these wicks are. It's looking like it's gonna test down there again. Just based off the current price action. And we should, well, there's 6 o'clock. Here's 6 o'clock. We should open with a small gap to the upside. So, yeah, probably be targeting for this pivot. Alright, very interesting. We've just been consolidating too. We really just been in this range for a while. I love brushing my teeth. I really do. My like breath is so minty. It's my favorite thing. And then we'll keep this chart super clean. It's really not very clean, but we'll try our best. We could pull up the actual chart on the this one. Not that, this. See if we see anything here. I don't think that I said to find anything. I'm using the chart of the Nasdaq because it's so broken up. Looks like it's much easier to see things on the other one. I'm letting the mic go. My voice might sound a little bit different. But yeah, should open down here. I'll move that over. I'm just going to retest this lower area. Because it's been consolidating here for like hours. And I don't really see a crazy good setup just yet. Market hasn't really been my favorite recently. Like, what is this? I would much prefer stuff like this, where it's trending, then breaking, I'm switching our time-based chart over from the 1 minute to the 2 minute. I like the 2 minute better. Look at this though, we're starting to get this curve with the moving average. Trying to get it so my mic's set up so I don't have to like hold it. Because right now I'm holding it. That might be better. It's a little better. I don't know. Still kind of sounds not my favorite. Kind of sounds alright. I wish we had just held long. Like, we knew that this was going long here. Like, we literally got in long, like, here. We got out here, got out up here, but we literally could have just held long. I said it at the start of the day, it's like, going long. I don't know how some people know where it goes, though. There's some people that, that just know exactly where it's gonna go. And I'm not quite there yet. I know kind of the idea, but I don't know exactly where it's gonna go. It's so choppy today, too. Yep, right now we're just waiting. Just waiting. Maybe if this breaks below 73, we get a larger move to the downside. It's looking like that's what it wants to do. But I don't 100% know yet. It could change as soon as the market opens. It's like all of a sudden buyers are coming in. So, what would make me bullish? What would make me want to buy is if it breaks above this, but this is a bear flag. This is literally a bear flag, so. Just sending some text messages. I like how we got some consolidation. I'm liking this price action more, actually. It means that we're probably going to get a pretty good move. And my vote's the downside. But I'm immediately thinking we could see as it goes all the way down to the 820s. All the way down here. 820s. We could see it go all the way down here. That scratchiness has gotta go. I just don't want to hold the mic. Alright, 20 seconds. Eventually I'll clear all these lines too. I'm not super attached to these lines. As soon as they start like messing with the trading, then I'll clear them. I jumped in pretty early, expecting for a move downwards. We just got a wick all of a sudden. Kind of scary jumping in early like that. I would take quick profit here. I'm not going to move my take profit super far. Alright, we hit take profit 1. We can always sell in again. But I like scalping the market like that. Let's sell in again. We'll just risk the profits we just made. So it's basically as if we were still in the trade. Probably goes all the way back up though. I'm waiting here. Nothing to be super concerned about just yet. Saw it bounce. I'm taking a look at the 15-minute on the other monitor. Yeah, I think it goes down. We're at the break-even point. Switching over screens again. Just because I drew those channels, right? So, come on. Pitching my foot. There we go. It's bounced right off that channel, like the bottom trend line on the hourly trend. It's like that's what we're looking at. We really want this to clear through these wicks. But it might not. Could come back up on us. Should have just taken my profit and stayed out of it, you know? It's more and more what I'm finding. Just take profit and stay out of it. But like yesterday, we knew it was gonna go up and took profit too soon, you know? It's like maybe if we just hold this, could work. Doesn't look like it. Ah, okay, we're out of it. Now, do we jump into a long? I don't know. I kind of just want to wait. Like it's too choppy. It's like there's our move up, and but this could just go right back down. I don't have anyone I'm watching either right now. Let's test the buy side. Stopped me out for $15. Fuck that, dude. I'm so pissed. I'm so pissed. So I gotta stop doing that shit. Buying it again. We had a huge move to the upside that it could make. This looks like a strong trend. We really just want a trend. We just need to get in someone like this. Can we get the market to move that way today? That doesn't look good. I got out of that. Switch to sell. We're just gonna end up getting beaten up here. I really just want to let these trades play out. Like we're still in this consolidated channel. So that would be our take profit. One would have been hit, but I'm holding on for a lot more. We're stopped out. When the market's like this, it just sucks. Selling again. This time I'll actually take profit. Oh, wow, that didn't close favorably. It's a losing trade. Down 2,000. Buy. Market's even worse today than it was yesterday. Should I move to break even? I think I'm going to. Like this should run up though. Especially if we break like above here. We want just this candle to close above here. It didn't happen. So I'm out. Goes back down. Does it go back down? I think it probably does. Just trying to trade the chop. My stop will be here. I hate trading like this. This isn't like good trading. And how are we down so much? I like we're just climbing out of the hole. Can't sell here, it might go up. I would look for something like that, but it's not forming right. It's not how we'd like to see it. See, like this is just terrible. So it goes back up. Ah, man. I'm like still super sore too. My arms are sore. And holding this mic does not help. I don't like those scratchy sounds. Just not comfortable. We're gonna sell it. I think this breaks for real. I do think it goes down. And if we can get a good move to the downside, would change everything. Almost at the first 15-minute range. Moving up. Does this break to the upside? Okay, I did end up entering along there. Looks like it wants to slowly climb up. Yeah, I was gonna say if I'm right, we should know fairly soon. Moving these stops all around, but I don't want to lose a lot of money. I'm already red right now in the day. Just been a red week. The best day to trade was Tuesday. This sucks. This price action fucking sucks. It's making me so upset. Because it still could move up here. Let's sell it. Nope, it just swept the lows and then... Like, it's not even getting a 10-point move. This is only like 10 points. 902 to 995. 7 points. That's insane to me. Because the market should have no problem getting this. And I'm not seeing any setups here whatsoever. I'm so upset. Should we keep going? Don't fucking know. I don't really fucking want to. Like now, should we buy? Like, this is terrible. I think the best thing to do is just to stay out of it. Being down 2,000 is not my favorite. I'm gonna try to get 1 or 2 more trades in. But I haven't been able to like see a setup. Like the setup's still this whole thing. And we should be we should have the 15-minute range now too. So the 15-minute range is this and this. There's the 15-minute range. Yeah. I pulled up Patrick Whelan. He's reading it the exact same I am. It's slowly climbing higher. I think longs are the move here. I'm going to try to get a good entry. That's all I'm going to look for. One last one. Going long. I'm going to target pretty high up here. But it's like no matter how far I target, I'm not going to make my money back. Yup. Whelan's pissed. He's having the same day I am. But it still looks like it's going to long term go up. It's just this is how it's going to be moving. It might sweep. It could literally go all the way down and go back up. I'm out. I'm hitting my max loss for the day. Like, how am I doing? I jumped into another one, too. Yeah, it is a great time to stay out of it. That was like the only winning trade I've had. Surprisingly 50-50. I'm looking for a move down. I don't know what else to do. It's a giant red candle, so. God damn it, dude. Unfucking real. Okay, I'm done. That sucks. Yeah, I can't even explain it better than my guy here. I wish like I could rewind this or something. It doesn't let me rewind it. Because I could rewind this and let him play. He's just talking about how bad the market is. And how it's not a good day to trade. He's going off about it. And that's really how it is. Like, I was talking about this all week. Times not to trade. Definitely overtraded today too. And it's because I was really trying to force it today. Like, I haven't traded at all this week. I want to make some trades. Um, but you can't force it. Market wasn't good yesterday. It was okay yesterday, actually. But it was terrible today. Like, this is the worst price action I've seen in like a while. This is like actually the worst price action I've seen in a while. Yesterday wasn't terrible, but I don't think it was that good yesterday either. The best day was like Monday. It was back here. Where is it? 21st, 9 a.m. This was the best day. Yeah, this was the open. Like, that's amazing. That right there. That was perfect. We would have caught that. Rode that all the way down. Maybe caught that one for the move up. This is great price action. This is terrible. Like, we're still in the 15-minute range. Okay, now it's moving down. I'm not in it. I'm getting in it. Yeah. I need to let the range break and then take a trade. It's not a trade. There's no setup here. Just jumping in short just because I think it's going to go down. It's like, how does it do this though? Like, it literally knows my entry. That's the worst entry. I've blown up. Just completely blown up. It sucks, dude. I wanted to trade today. I gotta get rid of that feeling of wanting to trade. You know? Like, if I looked at this market and I said, this looks terrible. And I still forced a bunch of trades, even now. Like, I was like, I'm gonna be done. And still forced a bunch of trades. 14 trades. Win, lose, win, lose, win, lose. Nothing we can do about it now. Should've just walked away. Huh. Yeah, I should just watch practically then. How's he so fucking good, dude? I don't know how he does it. probably what it does. So he's saying that maybe the market doesn't do anything until Trump speaks at 11. It's very possible. So now I'm just listening. I'm just watching Patrick Whelan. He's dropping some knowledge. I could try to go through here and highlight some of the setups. Maybe that. But these setups aren't good. It's like, and so there's no reason to be really getting in here, you know? And I should have just stayed out of it. But I really wanted to trade. And, yeah, it's hard too when you're trading just raw price action and you're looking for something specific instead of like a moving average crossover or something, because you really have to interpret the data. You don't just look for like a yes or no, buy here, sell here button. Like I could just do this, add these two things over, make one red, and make it a 9. The other one, make it like a 31. Make it like green or something. Wait for these to cross. can turn the
off the 22,010 area. It pushed up into here. It got stuck, pulled back, stopped me out for, I think we got stopped out for like $1,000 profit. It pulls back into here, ding, ding, ding. And look where it went, all the way up there to the 22,090. So if I was actually trading, you know, with no ego or no bullshit in the chat and stuff, I could have gotten out here, you know, at the 30s and then always re-entered later. But again, you know, I'm trying to get paid, to be honest. I'm trying to get these payouts. That's my goal. I want $2 million in payouts in 2025. I made I think I gotta add them all up, but I think pretty damn close to $1 million in payouts in 2024. So that's what I'm trying to get. I'm trying to break that record this year. All right. So again, like I said, don't get short at the bottom of the fucking range, because look what happens.
Yeah, he called it.
Stay out of the range. Trade, wait for the range to break, then take the trade. Wait for the range to break, then take the trade.
Yeah, if he wants the range to break, retest.
You're a con man, Patrick. Yes, I've conned everybody into watching this live stream for free. Please, everybody, whatever you do, don't keep watching.
I just want to see it break. This is what I should have done the whole day. Is literally nothing.
Whatever you do.
Now that I've made all my bad trades, I've lost all my money. There we go. Bullshit trades.
It's like this. I posted this. I posted my stats on Twitter.
I was long here, so it's hard to take that.
And this comment: nice paper trading. Okay.
Short.
It don't matter what I do. It don't matter. I could literally show people that I had $1 million in payouts, and they still be like, nope, not real, not real. He's lying. He's a con man. He's not real. He's a con man. He's a con man. I gotta go to the bathroom.
Yeah, I think it might.
I gotta go to the bathroom. I got this fake.
I think I'm done for today. Not a great day for trading. Here's it on the other chart. Real fast, I guess. Just nothing. Nothing's here. There is maybe an opportunity here. Could have gotten long there. But even on the RSI, like nothing. I guess maybe here. Here would have been a good opportunity. But these wicks are just taking you out. So anyways, I'm going to be done. We'll see you tomorrow. Probably have to reset. But that's why we're on the practice account. So